Let's talk about the recently launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi Note 12 with trendy colors with flat frame design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display with 6.67-inch Full HD+ display with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and with 20:9 aspect ratio with 85.3% screen to body ratio with 395 ppi pixel density and with 120 Hz refresh rate and with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection with punch hole display. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera along with the 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera with 2 megapixel macro camera for selfies. It has 13 megapixel camera. Will also be located with punch hole display for the software front. The handset turns on Android 13. Based on exclusive optimized version of MIUI 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core powered by Qualcomm SM6225 Snapdragon 685 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 GB or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The physical damages of the smartphone measures at 165.66 by 75.96 by 7.85 mm and it weights around 183.5 grams. And the color options: Oxy Gray, Ice Blue, Mint Green, colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 4G dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS 3.5 mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C charging port with IP53 dust and splash resistance. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Redmi Note 12 has been priced in Pakistan for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 54,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage model is priced at 59,999 Pakistani rupees. While the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage model is priced at 66,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Redmi Note 12 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and for more tech updates, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.